Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to convert your Canva website into Shopify. First, log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Apps from the left panel. Now, select All Recommended Apps. Then, click Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search for Canva. You'll see several Canva-related integrations, but for this tutorial, we'll use Canvify. Go ahead and click on it, then hit install. Confirm the installation by clicking install again. This app requires a subscription, but they offer a free trial so you can try it out first. Once the app is installed and set up, you can start importing your Canva website. Click on import new page. Here, you'll need your Canva site's URL. So head over to your Canva site, click on Publish Website at the top right, and publish it. After publishing, copy the URL of your Canva site. Now, go back to Shopify. Paste the URL into Canvify import field and give your site a title. You can also choose whether to show or hide the Shopify header and footer. Once you're done, click on Import at the top right. The import process will begin. When it's done, click View Page at the top and you'll see your Canva site now live within your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Canva website to Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.